Hello everyone and welcome to the Code 365 YouTube channel. I just wanted to make this quick little introduction video, basically just to tell you all a little bit about who I am and talk about the main goals of this channel. So let's get right into it. So a little bit about me. So my name's Dylan, I am 22 and I'm heading into my final year of my computer science degree. I have been coding for about 4 years and I have over a year's experience in the software industry writing professional grade code. Aims of this channel, first and foremost, are to teach you how to program, and not only that, but enable you to be able to use that programming knowledge to build applications of your own and really land that job interview and get that job in the industry. And I also want to foster a positive environment for students to be able to interact with each other and collaborate with one another. To start off, I think the channel will be more focused towards teaching the fundamentals of programming. Once that stuff is covered, I do plan to move on to other topics, like frameworks, covering multiple languages and stuff like that. But in the meantime, if you want any topics to be covered, don't be afraid to just leave your requests in the comments. Let me know what you want to see done. And yeah, that's it really, a short and sweet introduction. And thanks very much for taking the time to watch the video. Cheers!